Okay, guys, we got this exercise, and then our job is to find out the equations of this line. So we got the graph. They give us the graph with 2 points. So let's remember generally the how do we or let's remember the expressions, the linear expression of a line. Equation of a line. This is generally written like this: y equal mx, okay, plus b. Okay. Now, no, we need, first of all, let's try to find m. So preview exercise, we already find m. Okay, you can check the exercise. Let's remember m generally. To find m, so we need 2 points. So it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We already solved this problem. So we got 2 points. You can decide to call this x1 y2 x1 y2 x2 y2, or you can call this x1 y1. Okay, either way you're still gonna find it. Okay, but this one can be like that also. When we say y2 minus 1, we can say it's the rise. That's another way to figure out it's the rise over the 1. Okay, which mean it's gonna be, when I say rise, it's different between the y and over the 1. The 1 is gonna be the difference in the x axis, and this is the difference between the y axis. Okay, so that's the way to find out m also, rise over the 1. So which means if I want to figure out m right now, I can say, let's try to find out my rise. So I got those 2 points. That's another way, without doing any calcul. I can try to do it like that too. Let me show you an example. Let me take a yellow color so that you can see what I'm talking about. So let's say that's gonna be this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's gonna be my red. That's gonna be on the x. Okay, I go left. Okay, and that's mean I'm trying to move from this point to this point. First of all, I go left. I say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that gives me 4. That's gonna be minus 4. Okay, and then I'm gonna go up now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's gonna be plus 10, because I go up. Here I go left. So it's gonna be the rise. That's gonna be the plus 10. The rise is gonna be plus 10. That's gonna be my rise over the rent. The rent is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4. That's another way. This way, if your graph is really accurate, you can find it this way too. Okay, this is an experimental. You can do that in form of experimental. Okay, so this gonna be m gonna be like, if I have to simplify, it's gonna be 5 over minus 2, or m might be like minus 5 over 2. That's gonna be my m. So I got my m now. Okay, so which means, since I got my m, let me erase this part, or so let me erase this part. So I got my m. Okay, I got my m. Since I got my m, I can replace, right? I can replace. I got m. I can replace. M. So I can easily say, so y equal, I know m is minus 5 over 2, right? X, excuse me, that's plus, plus b, excuse me, this is plus b, so there it is, that's plus b. Now, I just need to find out b. So to do that, it's really easy. I can just decide to take whatever the point. Let's say if I have to plug this here, so which means I'm going to have x which gonna be this one, and I'm gonna have y, which gonna be this one. I need to just plug. So I'm gonna have minus 2 gonna be equal to, excuse me, minus 5 over 2, okay, time x, which gonna be 2 plus b, okay? That's really easy. I can simplify by 2 here. So this is gonna be like minus 2 equal minus 5 plus b, okay? And then what I can say, there's gonna be, like if I need to find b, it's gonna be minus 2. If I have to cancel plus 5 on both sides, it's gonna be plus 5 equal b. Or I can say b equal is gonna be 3 equal b. B is 3. So I got b, I got m. Now finally I got my b, right? And I got also m. So I can easily say the equation of this line, it's m, which is minus 5 over 2 plus b. The b equal 3, plus 3. There you go. It's really easy. So excuse me, so I need to put the x, I need to put the x. So minus 5 over 2x plus b, which is plus 3. So there you go. That's the expression of the equation of this line. Okay? If you want to be sure, you can try to pull this one. Let's say that's the x. If I put x here and I put y here, I should have this. They should be equal. If not, there's something wrong, which means 8 equal, it should be equal at minus 5 over 2 times. That's a proof. I'm doing now. I just want to prove it's true. Okay? Okay. Plus 3. That's a proof I am doing right now. And by simplifying by 2, you see, it's easy. Okay? So I got minus 1 here. That's going to give plus 5 plus 3. That gives me 8. Okay? That's a proof. But I'm done. Okay, guys?